Hi, welcome to Excel in Life.
Hello friends, this is Mrinal Chakraborty, your guide to the journey of Microsoft Word. Today we'll go through our second episode of Word tutorial. In our last episode, we have seen that drop down of font is having value 8 to 72. Do you know what is the maximum size of font you can write in Word document? Watch this video until the last to know fact that is more interesting. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. This will motivate me to bring such wonderful tutorial for you. To zoom in a document, press Ctrl plus mouse roller button towards up, and to zoom out in a document, press Ctrl and mouse roller button towards down. This is easier to zoom in and zoom out. Now we'll see how to put bullet. It's very simple. You just select the paragraph and click bullet. You can change the bullet formatting with the various available bullets in the library. Just click the bullet icon and it will be selected. We will see the multi-level after some time. You can define new bullet by clicking this option. So you can select the symbol from available various fonts. Just select any font or any symbol if you like and click OK. Your bullet symbol will be changed. Also, you can add a picture to your bullet. This can be from your computer hard drive, or you can search image from internet. In our example, we are getting a online picture of apple. Just select the apple and click OK. Your bullet point is changed with apple. It's very easy to create a new bullet icon. Another one is the number list. Just like bullet, you can also make a number list. Just select the paragraph and click number list. We'll see the change list next time. Define number format. You can select from 1, 2, 3, ABC or Roman number. You can align them and click OK. We will see how to do the multi-level list. So make a list and increase the indent as per your requirement. Once it is done, select them and click the multi-level list format as per your choice. You can change the multi-level list format selected from the list library. Based on the indent in the list, label will be selected from the multi-level format. I am showing in other way also how to do that multi-level list. You select the list and make the normal list bullet or number list which you have shown earlier. Now, wherever you want to put a multi-level list, select that and press tab or click the increase indent. You can see the list is automatically converted to multi-level list. To increase indent, press tab, and decrease indent, press shift plus tab. You can increase the indent of a paragraph by clicking this icon. Shortcut of this, tab or shift tab. In the ruler, you can see the indent position of the indent with this symbol. You can shift this left indent with the help of mouse. Let us check sort. This is useful to sort the list of text. You can see I have made a list of country. Now click the sort. It will give you the option. Select ascending or descending and click OK. Your list is getting sorted. Next is paragraph marks. You click this icon to show and hide paragraph marks. Shortcut of this, Ctrl plus asterisk. You can see wherever you pressed enter, this paragraph marks will come. In between any space, it will be dot. This is useful to find any drafting error. You can show and hide by clicking the icon. Now we'll check alignment. Now I have written this line. This is left aligned by default. So if I want to make it center aligned, click here. If you want to put it right aligned, click here. Shortcut of left aligned is Ctrl plus L. Shortcut of center aligned is Ctrl plus E. Shortcut of right aligned is Ctrl plus R. Now another option is available. It is called justified. For a long paragraph such as this, we can utilize this. You can see there is a space end of this line in the paragraph. It will properly justify this same thing if we click it. Shortcut of justified is Ctrl plus J. Spacing. Now the spacing, we can change the line spacing as per this drop down. You can space 1, 1.5, 2. It will keep on increasing as per your requirement. This is sometimes helpful to give a proper line spacing in a paragraph. You can see the difference. The spacing options also there. You can go with the line spacing option. You can give a before or after spacing. You want the spacing here or this bottom part. Indent you can change from left and right. Alignment was already the justified, the body of the text. Add space before paragraph. It has increased the space. If you want to delete, remove. You can see there is a space inside. This has been deleted. Now we'll see shading. You can color the background part, paragraph or a table. Already I've seen highlighting a line or text color. Here you can change the background color. Next is applying border. You can say if it is a table also or in a paragraph, you can apply border like this. I asked you at the starting that what is the maximum font size you can make in a Word document. Did you get it? Now answer is 1638. You can use font size maximum 1638. For confirmation, let's write anything more than that and you will see this message box. This confirms that minimum font size is 1 and maximum font size is 1638. Thank you for watching this video till the last. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Till then, goodbye.